Alright, hey everyone, I just wanted to do a really quick video about my dry spice blend. So quick 5-ingredient dry spice blend. I use it on my dry spice shrimp and a few other recipes. So real quick, it's 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. There's 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, there's 1 teaspoon of salt, and there's about 3/4 of a teaspoon of hot chili powder. And we're just going to mix all this together, and then you can keep it in a jar. This makes about 2 tablespoons, which you very easily may use in one recipe. So if you want more, just scale it up. I'll leave the ingredients in the description. Thanks. That's most of it. There you go. This is great on fish, shrimp, chicken, pretty much anything, really. But give it a shot. Try it on anything. Let me know what you think. See you next time.